Asparagus season never disappoints, and neither does Farmer Lee, because in this case, look at how beautiful this is. Look at this stunning asparagus with this like purplish hue to it, and this deep dark purple. We've got beautiful asparagus from the chef's garden. We have a nice new blend over here. Let's make some okonomiyaki. Okay, so okonomiyaki, for those that you don't know what it is, it's just basically like a Japanese pancake. It's usually done with cabbage that's shaved really thin. We're just gonna replace that with this beautiful asparagus today. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a mandolin. I'm gonna shave them long ways, really thin. We're gonna have some nice ribbons to work with. That's gonna be mixed into our batter. So go ahead and shave them nice and thin. If you don't have a mandolin like this, just chop it up really fine. Either way will work out for you. Of course, don't throw away these stalks. You can use these for a nice soup or a stock, anything like that. These are great, do not throw them away. Okay, these are good, they're shaved, all set aside. Now it's time to start the batter. So I'm just gonna start with the 3/4 cup of the mushroom stock. All this is the mushrooms I brought up to a simmer for about 2 hours. I have a video on how to make stock, so check that out. Stock in, followed by the 1 cup of flour, tablespoon white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Add in 3 eggs, then just a generous pinch of salt, and then of course a couple tablespoons of this eruption. This one's gonna add a nice sweet kick to it. If you don't have it, it's totally fine, but check out the link down below on how to get this stuff. Okay, so now just go ahead and whisk that up until it's nice and smooth. There you have it, your batter's ready to go. You can go ahead and hold this in another container, keep it in the fridge for about a week. And all we're gonna do is we're just gonna add this to our asparagus as needed. Okay, so we're making it now. I got a cast iron skillet here on medium heat. I'm just gonna go ahead and take about a handful, a cup, about a cup of this asparagus in the bowl, as well as with some chopped up mushrooms. And then you just wanna take your batter and do about like 3 little spoonfuls, so I'd say about 6 tablespoons of batter to a cup. Now just go ahead and give that a little toss, season it with salt, of course. And if you wanna kind of spice it up, you can add some sort of spice to it, just like this eruption, or you can also add some bacon. That'd be really delicious. I'm having this with some pork for dinner, it's gonna be nice. So yeah, go ahead and add some oil to your pan, generous amount. We're just gonna go ahead and drop this down. So you just want to cook this on medium heat. Once it gets a nice sear on there, just go ahead and give it a flip, just like a pancake. Wait for it for a little bit, like 2 minutes or so. Give it a flip, then cook it all the way. Keep it warm in the oven on low until you're ready to serve. All right, and there we have it. I've got it plated up. I added some black gold aioli. It's got that black truffle taste, so all I did was mix it with mayo. It's really nice to go on top. And then I finished it with bonito flakes, because that's the way to do it. And then of course an egg yolk right in the center of everything. There you have it, okonomiyaki. Let's go ahead and try this thing. Okay. Yo, so this is really good. Once again, you can add protein if you want, but just as is, with this really nice asparagus, delicious. Go ahead and try this out. Let me know what you think. You can also use cabbage if you don't have asparagus, it's totally fine. Check out Farmer Lee in the link down below to get your own produce box that has this really nice asparagus as well. Go get yourself some of these nice rubs from Sliceology and my buddy Matt. They just teamed up and did this once again, amazing stuff. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in the next one.